It's, I don't even know if you guys can see that. It's super early. I like to sleep. Good morning. We're headed to Oshkosh. First time I've ever gone to Oshkosh. It's, I don't even know if you guys can see that. It's super early. I'm not a morning person. Heck, I'm not any kind of person. I like to sleep. But we're already seeing clouds, so might be a little slow start today. So we're going to check the weather, make sure that we can get to where we need to on our first leg, and then we'll catch you in the air.
Clear.
That guy's got my stuff. Putting your TriPacer 4-1 Alpha 47. Take off to the east.
And Richard and Stan, I think we should do a right downwind departure to stay out of those arrivals. I think we should do a right downwind departure. Okay, I'll turning right for right downwind departure, 5 Whiskey.
Does TriPacer need to extend downwind, let the faster traffic in for Rock Springs?
Where are you one more time, right now?
I'm a beam the BOR 4-1 Alpha.
On the downwind at what altitude?
7,800.
Roger, we should pass off your right. I don't see you at sight, but we're behind you on the downwind, and we'll try to stay wide.
All right. Rock Springs traffic, TriPacer 401 Alpha is left base 27, full stop, Rock Springs.
And Bonanza 5 Whiskey's on a right crosswind for right downwind departure off 27.
Yep. Rock Springs, TriPacer 401 Alpha, base to final 27, full stop, Rock Springs. First notch.
First notch.
Where are you guys headed?
Oshkosh.
Scottsbluff, Nebraska.
Safe flights.
Thank you.
I just want to make sure we don't go the same place.
That's it. Just go right down there.
Rock Springs traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, clear all active, taxi.